Vanderbilt quarterback Diego Pavia has faced significant legal challenges, but he remains a pivotal figure in the university's success. However, his recent court battle with the NCAA raises critical questions about the evolving landscape of college sports. One of the MVPs at Vanderbilt's 2024 season is former federal judge William L. Campbell, Jr., who previously served as the chief judge of the Middle District of Tennessee. In December, Campbell ruled that Pavia was eligible to play for the Commodores this season, overturning NCAA rules that had previously excluded him due to his junior college experience. Pavia, now a Heisman Trophy contender, faces ongoing legal disputes over eligibility, particularly regarding his 2 years spent in junior college versus his NCAA schedule. The case isn't over. Campbell granted a preliminary injunction allowing Pavia to continue playing while the lawsuit progressed. The NCAA responded by appealing the ruling and later issued a waiver, enabling athletes similar to Pavia to compete this season. An appellate court has yet to rule on the appeal, highlighting the complexity of the issue. The initial ruling paved the way for numerous lawsuits challenging NCAA eligibility rules, which permit athletes to compete without restrictions for 4 seasons before 5 years of enrollment. Despite these challenges, the NCAA has maintained a strong presence in court, winning more cases than losing. According to the NCAA, of the 35 eligibility lawsuits filed, only 19 have been denied, 7 granted, and 4 pending. 5 have been voluntarily dismissed before a decision on the preliminary injunction. Still, the lawsuits create uncertainty for athletes and teams affected, as well as others whose future could be impacted. Rutgers leading tackler Jett, Elad, who played in junior college but wasn't covered by the Pavia waiver, is still eligible thanks to a preliminary injunction. However, a pending appeal may send him back to the sidelines if a ruling comes down during the season. Similarly, Wisconsin defensive back Nyzier Fourqurean was deemed ineligible after practicing with the team all offseason, despite an earlier ruling favoring the NCAA. His case highlights the controversy surrounding the deference afforded to the NCAA. Lawyer Ryan Downton worked on behalf of several teammates in another lawsuit, seeking an additional year of eligibility, even after taking a redshirt year. This underscores the broader legal battles over NCAA eligibility rules, which allow exceptions for injury or health reasons. While the NCAA has a waiver process, changes to the rule have not been made, and the current system is rooted in antitrust concerns. The chipping away at these rules shows the NCAA's vulnerability and the growing demand for federal legislation to address antitrust issues. Professor Gabe Feldman emphasized that courts often concedes or is forced to concede, opening the door to further antitrust litigation. Even though the Pavia case was narrow, it spurred a surge in lawsuits seeking another year of eligibility, slowing the pace now. Ehrlich noted that the lawsuits don't aim to eliminate eligibility standards entirely, but instead challenge their application. He stressed that the NCAA can maintain its rules as long as they don't unfairly restrict competition. Ehrlich concluded that while the case is limited, the long-term implications highlight the need for federal action to protect college sports. With Judge Campbell's ruling 9 months ago, Vanderbilt has a chance to secure a first-place win against Alabama in almost 70 years.